Welcome back, dear listeners, to another enlightening episode of the Vitality Blueprint, Unlocking Wellness Secrets. I'm your host, Tanya Peale. Have you ever stopped to consider how much of your life slips by in a blur of distractions, leaving you disconnected from the present moment? What if I told you that a simple practice could unlock a world of mental vitality and transform the way you experience each day? And today, we're embarking on a transformative journey into the realm of mindfulness and mental vitality. Just in case this is the first time you're tuning in, let me introduce myself. I'm a master fitness trainer with over 2 decades of experience and a seasoned 500-hour yoga teacher. Throughout my journey in the fitness world and as a provider of yoga continuing education, I've had the privilege of witnessing firsthand the remarkable impact that mindfulness can have on our overall well-being. Today, I'll be your guide as we explore the world of mindfulness and uncover its transformative potential. Picture this. You're sitting at your favorite cafe, enjoying a cup of coffee. But wait, what's that in your hand? It's not a book, not a newspaper, but your smartphone. You find yourself scrolling through social media, responding to emails, and mentally juggling the never-ending to-do list for the day. You glance up and suddenly you realize the aroma of your coffee has gone unnoticed, the warmth of the cup untouched. In this digital age, our minds often race ahead while our bodies remain grounded in the present. We are consumed by notifications, messages, and the constant hum of information. It's as if we're living in a constant state of autopilot, disconnected from the richness of life's small moments. But what if there was a way to hit pause on this frenzy? What if we could rekindle our connection with the present and infuse our days with intention, curiosity, and appreciation? Mindfulness is about being fully present and aware in the current moment, acknowledging your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's a state of non-distraction where you observe your experiences with an open heart and mind. Meditation, on the other hand, is a specific practice or technique that aims to cultivate mindfulness. It often involves focusing your attention on a particular object, breath, or mantra, which can lead to an enhanced state of mindfulness. In our exploration of mindfulness today, we'll be delving into both its essence and the meditation practices that can help you cultivate mindfulness. By understanding the difference between mindfulness and meditation, we can better appreciate how they contribute to our mental vitality and overall well-being. Drawing from my years of experience in the fitness and yoga realms, I can confidently say that the benefits of mindfulness are multifaceted, nurturing not only our mental landscape, but also our physical well-being. Allow me to illustrate a fascinating example, a study conducted on psoriasis and mindfulness. In a study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine, researchers investigated the effects of mindfulness meditation on individuals with psoriasis, a chronic skin condition often exacerbated by stress. The study participants who practiced mindfulness meditation reported significant improvements in their psoriasis symptoms, along with reductions in stress levels. This example highlights the profound connection between mental well-being and physical health. It underscores how mindfulness practices can directly influence your body's response to stress and inflammation. Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn's groundbreaking work with the Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction (MBSR) program further solidifies the role of mindfulness in enhancing our mental vitality. By integrating mindfulness into healthcare, he has paved the way for individuals to harness the power of mindfulness in managing stress-related conditions. The connection between our mental state and physical well-being is undeniable. By embracing mindfulness, we're not only nurturing our minds, but also creating a positive ripple effect on our bodies. This holistic approach to well-being is at the heart of our exploration today. Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn, a trailblazer in the field of mindfulness, founded the Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction program in 1979. This evidence-based program brings mindfulness practices into mainstream medicine and psychology. MBSR offers participants a structured approach to learn and apply mindfulness techniques to reduce stress, manage pain, and enhance overall well-being. Research conducted by Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn and his team demonstrated the effectiveness of MBSR in reducing psychological distress, improving emotional well-being, and even leading to changes in brain activity associated with stress reduction. My years of teaching fitness and yoga have shown me that mindfulness extends far beyond seated meditation. It accompanies us through life's moments, movements, decisions, and interactions. Now let's explore some everyday scenarios where mindfulness can make a profound difference in our mental vitality. Mindful eating. Imagine sitting down for a meal and savoring each bite. Mindful eating is about engaging all your senses, appreciating the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. By being present during meals, you not only enhance your digestion, but also create a moment of calm in your day. Mindful walking. As you go about your day, whether indoors or outdoors, bring mindfulness to your steps. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice the sensations of each step, and take in your surroundings. This simple practice can transform an ordinary stroll into a rejuvenating experience. Mindful listening. In conversations, practice being fully present with the person speaking. Put aside distractions, make eye contact, and truly listen. By giving your undivided attention, you foster connection and understanding. Mindful breathing. Throughout the day, take a moment to pause and focus on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of each inhalation and exhalation. This practice anchors you in the present moment, helping you manage stress and regain clarity. Mindfulness in chores. Even routine tasks can become opportunities for mindfulness. Whether you're washing dishes, folding laundry, or gardening, engage in these activities with full awareness. Notice the sensations, textures, and movements involved. By embracing these practices, you infuse your daily life with mindfulness. It's not about adding more tasks to your to-do list, but about infusing intention and presence into the activities you already engage in. Let's try a simple exercise inspired by the MBSR program. Find a comfortable place to sit or stand. Take a deep breath in, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale for another 4 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel the rhythm of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, gently redirect your attention to the sensation of your breath. The mind and the body dance in harmony, and mindfulness orchestrates this symphony. Studies suggest practicing mindfulness can improve sleep quality and boost immune function. Our mental vitality and physical health are intertwined threads. I've witnessed how mindfulness equips us with resilience in the face of life's storm. By training ourselves to observe our thoughts without judgment, we develop resilience in the face of challenges. Mindfulness allows us to acknowledge our emotions without being swept away by them. In our age of information overload and perpetual connectivity, mindfulness becomes a refuge. It's not about erasing thoughts, but rather acknowledging them. In this hyper-connected world, mindfulness helps us reclaim our attention and navigate the digital sea more intentionally. We received some fantastic questions from our listeners eager to deepen their understanding of mindfulness. A question from @Harrington184 on social media asks, how can I incorporate mindfulness into a busy schedule? Great question. Remember, mindfulness is about being with what is. It's not about adding on another task onto your already busy schedule. You're just in the present moment. So start small. Have a morning routine where you take a few minutes and breathe. Focus on all the sensations that you feel in that moment. Noticing what you feel with inhalation and exhalation, the same exercise that we did in this podcast today. Use that as a morning routine and add on more time when it becomes available. As we conclude this enriching episode of the Vitality Blueprint, I invite you to carry the essence of mindfulness with you, embracing it as a guiding light on your journey to enhanced well-being. Remember, the beauty of mindfulness lies in its accessibility. It's not confined to a meditation cushion or a yoga mat. It's a way of engaging with life itself. With my experience in fitness, yoga, and the wisdom of luminaries like Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn, we've embarked on a journey into the heart of mindfulness. It's a journey that beckons us to be fully present in each moment, to savor the intricacies of our existence, and to cultivate mental vitality that radiates through our physical health. Whether you're taking mindful steps on your morning walk, breathing intentionally in the midst of a busy day, or simply pausing to truly listen, you're nurturing the vitality within you. I encourage you to explore the treasures of mindfulness and its infinite applications, weaving them seamlessly into the fabric of your life. For those listeners who are interested in exploring mindfulness further, I will provide 3 resources down below in this episode's description to help you along. But wait, there's one more step you can take to deepen your mindfulness practices. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your podcast app. Subscribing ensures you never miss an episode, and it's a simple way to support our mission of spreading mindfulness far and wide. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest releases, special guests, and in-depth explorations of well-being. It's free, easy, and the best way to join us on the Vitality Blueprint each time we dive into a new topic. So go ahead and hit subscribe now. Until we meet again on the Vitality Blueprint, may your moments be mindful, your days vibrant, and your path towards well-being illuminated. From my heart to yours, take care.